What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sign up to Amazon Associates and set up your account, aka how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Now once you open up your Amazon Associates website, you just need to click sign up right here. Here you need to input your account information, so your name, address, city, etc, etc. But I already have this from my previous account, so I will just select the payee listed above. Once that is selected, you can click next right here. Now here you need to input all of your websites, so all of the traffic sources that you will be using to promote Amazon links. So for this I will just copy paste my YouTube channel link and I will click add. Now you can click next. Here you can just select no and click confirm. And here you can input your preferred Amazon Associates ID. So only you can see this, so this can be whatever you want. And for this example, I will just type in something random. Now in this next box, you need to describe the content that you're creating. So I create videos, so I will write this. Now, which of the following best describes your content? You of course need to select the one that is subjective to yourself. For me, I'll select search. Now, how did you hear for us? You can just select whatever works for you. Let's say word of mouth. Now you need to do a CAPTCHA. And once you finish the CAPTCHA, you need to checkmark this little box that says that you agree to the terms and conditions of the Amazon Associates program. Now, if everything looks alright, you can click finish. And here for the tax info, you can just do this later. And there we go. Now you're on your Amazon Associates dashboard. Now if you go to Amazon, you can click this get link button right here. And here there will be your Amazon Associates link that you can drive traffic to. And that's how you can set up your Amazon Associates account.